Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna give my presentation for Sprint 2, and this Sprint 2 is for Project 1, and my team name is Attendance Tracking Team. And in our team we are 4 members, and first is Avi Patel, who is the Scrum Master for this project, and the another one is myself, Jitendra Singh, and my another friend is Suvash Khatri and Tulvinder Singh. So here we come to contents. So introduction and project overview and client details and team details are given by me, Tulvinder Singh. And technical department, what the description, technical process, that description is given by Tulvinder Singh. And the demonstration is given by Avi Patel. So he will demonstrate all the requirements that we gonna have to discuss in project. And lastly, Suvash will give a reflection and feedback on his work. So here is the team and client detail for our project. For this project, our client name is Mike View, who's also a supervisor for us, and the team members that we already discussed before, that we had 4 members. And so now I'm gonna give my project overview. So this project is basically a web-based application. So as we have as clients told that like most of the education sector, they are facing a problem. So as a lecturer unable to mark the attendance of students by manually, because it's taking too much time. It's really time consuming. Even they don't even get our time to send emails to those students who are short in their attendance. So to solve this problem, so we will developing the system. So this is basically a web-based application, so we can browse in any browser, and this application will allow users to mark their attendance by automatically, and it will also send emails to those students who are short in their attendance. And this project is only developed for education sector, like as schools, education, unis. That's it.
Thanks, Jitendra. My name is Tulvinder Singh. Now I'm going to talk about work done. We are developing a attendance tracking system, which is a web-based application, and we have developed a small part of it. We complete 5 functionality according to client: profile save, profile edit, student list. User can add a student list. User can add save the student list, as well as user can delete the student list. And user can also add a course student list according to course. It will mostly helpful for education provider or university management, because it is a very common problem for every institute about attendance, and it will remove and save time for. So this application will allow student to view their profile. Student can edit and upload the profile. After login, staff has a list of students along with their name, student ID and year. Now I am going to talk about technology and tools which we used. We used coding with the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, .NET, C#, and we used Visual Studio 2012 code editor to develop and testing purpose. We also use web server for operating the MySQL for localhost. For this part, we have watched many videos and searched many sites on internet for developing purpose, how to use the crowd function, PHP database, and we will see outcome in next part of this presentation demonstration, which my next friend will discuss about it.
Thank you, Talvinder. In our Sprint 2, there are 5 functionalities. So first one is view, profile, and save. So after you log in this system, then if you click on profile button, you will direct to the profile page where you can see your profile detail, and you can also change the profile detail, and you can save the profile detail as well. The second one is edit the profile. So if you click on edit button, then you can see in this image that the first text field is converted into editable mode, so you can edit your personal detail and you can save as well. So after login, and there is a student button on the home page, and if you click on student button, you will direct to the student list where you can see the all the students list with the name, ID, and year. And if you click on edit button, you can also edit the student information, and you can also save the students information by clicking on save button. Now you can, fourth one is delete users. So you can also delete student information from the table. So in previous table there were 3 information, and now there is only 2 information because I already clicked on delete button. So the one information has been gone from this table. So you can use delete button for delete the information. So now fifth one is adding new student in this student list table. So you can see in the at the end of the table there is a text field, empty text field. So if you enter all the information in this text field, and if you click on the add course button, then the new detail will be adding in this student list table. In this system, just click on profile button and profile detail. So you can see your profile detail here, and if you want to change your profile detail, just click here and you can edit and change your detail. And if you want to click, just if you want to save this information, click on save button. So it's saved in system, and go back, and here you can see student button. Here click on student button, you can see student list in this table. There are 3 student information here. So if you want to edit, click on edit button. You can edit any information here, and you want to save this information, click on save button. So if you want to delete this information, click on delete button. So you can see now there are only 2 information. So if you want to add new student in this table, add and enter the information here and click on add course. So you can see the new information has been entered in this table. So you can see here, this is the coding for this student list table. Hold the coding for this table, and here this is the script, JavaScript for this table, how this button are working. And now this page is for profile page that we have created in our system. This is the whole coding for that, and this is the also for the profile script that where this delete button and save button working. So you can see this is the database for our system. This is the course code, course list. It is the sprint one database. So this is a database for student list table. So this is the coding for the database that we have wrote.
Thanks, Abhi. Now my part is critical reflection and feedback. So starting from reflection, our first sprint was really successful, and after the great success of sprint 1, we have continued our project and add some additional functionality on it. So as same as in sprint 1, all the group member has carried out their individual tasks as we have expected. Weekly meetings are really helpful to do our tasks and demonstration. And as I said before, time was not enough for some of our work, but we worked together in a group, and somehow we managed till now. Design was successfully came up as we have planned, and everyone as well as client is happy with the outcome of our project. We want to make database for our course list profile, and we have searched in different sources of internet and take the help of tutor as well, but it does not work, and we tried many times, and at last we are successful to do it. We have done adjustment to our project by adding some button in global navigation bar, and in sprint 1 we have a list of students, and also we can view our profile as well, and our client is very happy with the outcome of our project. And we have got some feedback as well, like the client told us to use the CRUD function in our project, and and at last we decided to use that one in our project.